favorite roofer with Sunbelt Roofs, Uptown New Orleans. Typical New Orleans street, oak trees hanging over. Just wanted to give you an update on this house. Starting to come together, paint's on. You can see our custom copper bay window cap, some copper flashings up on that gable, copper parapet wall caps. We're getting ready to wrap this up. We're going to be doing some custom copper collection boxes right up there in that opening as a scupper drain comes through that parapet wall. And then on the upper one right there, you can see up in that corner, we're going to do a collection box with consolidated or tied together copper round downspouts that will come down to the ground and tie into subsurface drainage. We're going to be adding K-style gutters around the back and eggshell color, kind of to match the color scheme of the house. So that'll get all around the back. Just wanted to give you an update again from your favorite roofer, Sunbelt Roofs, Uptown New Orleans. Until next time.